Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this beautiful earring. It's a holly leaf, and we will use also this charm that I found at a €1 shop. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute and beautiful earring. We will need the template that I will put on my blog. So I will put the link below this video. We will need the template that I traced before, and then with a pair of scissors we will cut on a green paper around the template here in this way. Press down the template with your fingers and then cut around. Okay, voila. Here our earring. Okay, now we will need to, with the green pen, we will need to color this part and also on the back, because it will be more nice. And then with this double pen we will do in this way. Here it's only to give to our leaf a sort of a shades. Voila. Voila. Okay. And then we will do the same on the back. Or if you don't like the idea of the pen, you can leave your paper as it is. Voila. I prefer in this way. I think it's more nice. I bought this pen also in a €1 shop. They are I think you will find something similar, a marker like this one, in many different places. Now we will need to punch a hole in order to attach our jump ring. Voila. We will punch a hole here, and then we will use our jump ring, and before we will put our charm and this part. Voila. And then we will close our jump ring, and here our finished earring. I think they are so nice for Christmas and for the holiday season. They are so nice to wear and so easy to make. I think you will be able to find many different charms for Christmas, and then you can create many different earring. They are so nice and so easy to make. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and this paper craft idea. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.